Hello, in this web development basics, we're going to look at positioning objects on the screen. I just want to start this off by saying this stuff is tricky. It gets really kind of, you get into the weeds pretty quickly. So I'm obviously not going to get through all of the questions right now, but I'm just kind of start to get you a feel of some of the different positioning techniques you can use. All right, so in this one, I'm going to talk about just a static position as well as a fixed position. So a static position is simply the default positioning. And what that means is that when I create these two divisions, first one box red and the second one box green, they're going to be automatically positioned, the box red followed by the box green. And the browser is going to figure all of that out. So if I make the height of box red, say 200 instead of 100, and I reload this, the box green still gets positioned right below the last element. Okay? So let's put that back to 100. Now, I could put here, if I want, position static, but that's not going to have any impact. Position static. So what that does is it sets the position of these to static, but again, like I said, that is the default positioning model that is used. Okay, so let's imagine that I wanted to have something fixed on the screen. Meaning that, and you see this all the time when you scroll up and down a web page, whatever it is stays fixed no matter where you are. It could be a really long website. So what we're going to do is we're going to just do a slight modification to this to start. I'm going to actually make the height of the green box to be something like, actually I'm going to make the height of the red box to be something like 10,000. So now I get this really, really long red box, and there's the green box at the bottom of it. So what I want to do is I want to actually put the green box up here, and I want the green box to always be in the top left-hand corner. Well, what I can do is I can set the position of the green box to be fixed. And what happens then is when I reload this, nothing happens. But what that means is that you can't see the green box when I scroll to the bottom because the green box is always fixed in the position that it is first rendered. So basically it's 10,000 pixels down below, and if I scroll down, it keeps moving with my scroll. Let's shrink this down to be something like 200 pixels, the red box. And there it is. But watch as I can't scroll down because I don't have anything to scroll with, but basically this is fixed in that position. Well, another way to see this, let's make this back to 10,000 again. Let's set the top left corner. So the top corner is going to be 20px, and the left corner is going to be 20px. And if I reload this now, there's my green. And so I'm saying that I want this green one to be a fixed position, and it's going to be that it's going to be 20 pixels off the top and 20 pixels to the left. And notice now as I scroll, that green box stays exactly where it is because it's fixed on the screen. Okay, I hope that helps. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask.